Dreaming of a kitchen that feels sleek, intelligent, and effortlessly refined? These luxury smart essentials combine modern design with innovative features that make everyday cooking feel elevated and seamless. From statement-making upgrades to tech that works quietly in the background, each pick brings style and convenience together beautifully. All products you see are linked in the description. Keep your snacks fresh with just one touch. This mini bag sealer locks in air instantly, no preheating needed. 6 adjustable gears let you seal anything from delicate chips to thick freezer packs perfectly. USB-C, rechargeable, and long-lasting, it works for hundreds of seals per charge. With a built-in cutter, LED display, and magnetic back, it's compact, precise, and always within reach. Meet the ultimate kitchen helper. This all-in-one robot chops, stirs, sauté, kneads, and even steams, so you don't need a dozen appliances cluttering your countertop. With hundreds of recipes from Indian to international cuisines, it guides you step by step on its smart screen or app. It stirs and cooks automatically, freeing you from constant monitoring. Compact, precise, and intuitive, it makes cooking effortless and fun every day. Grow fresh herbs and veggies right on your countertop. This smart hydroponic system waters and feeds your plants automatically, so you barely lift a finger. The full-spectrum LED boosts growth up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, while the app lets you adjust lighting, track progress, and get alerts. With 21 pods, adjustable lights, and automatic irrigation, it's perfect for any indoor gardener. Effortless, high-tech, and rewarding, it makes green thumbs easy for everyone. So if you want fresh greens without the hassle, imagine a robot that cooks for you like a personal chef. Posha handles everything from adding ingredients to cooking each step perfectly. Choose from hundreds of recipes, load your ingredients, and press start. While Posha works, you can focus on anything else, knowing dinner will be hot and ready. Smart, precise, and effortless, it turns your kitchen into a stress-free, restaurant-quality experience. Keep your kitchen neat and your spices fresher for longer. This 6-piece jar set comes with built-in adjustable spoons, so you can scoop exactly what you need without making a mess. Made from clear, BPA-free glass, you can see what's inside at a glance. The airtight lids lock in flavor and keep moisture out. Stylish, practical, and easy to clean, these jars make cooking and organizing effortless. So if you want mess-free spice scooping every time, give your fruits and veggies a spa treatment. This wireless cleaner uses OH-ion technology to purify water and remove dirt, pesticides, and bacteria without any chemicals. Just drop your produce in, press one button, and it cleans automatically in about 10 minutes. Compact, waterproof, and easy to charge wirelessly, it fits anywhere in your kitchen. Safe, simple, and chemical-free, it makes healthy eating easier than ever. Say goodbye to messy hands while prepping peppers. This 2-in-1 corer removes stems, cores, and seeds from bell peppers and chili peppers in one simple twist. The long tool handles chilies. The short one tackles bell peppers, easy and precise. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's safe on your hands and built to last. Perfect for cooking, snacking, or even camping, it makes veggie prep fast and fun. Peeling grapes and cherry tomatoes just got effortless. This electric peeler handles small fruits and garlic in about 20 seconds. No crushing, no mess. Just load it up, press a button, and watch the peel separate cleanly from the pulp. It's rechargeable, portable, and safe, with a non-slip base for worry-free use anywhere. Removable parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your snacks. So, if you want perfectly peeled fruits and veggies in seconds, Wake up to a breakfast that practically makes itself. This 3-in-1 breakfast station brews coffee, cooks eggs and pancakes on a non-stick griddle, and toasts up to 4 slices at once. The ceramic griddle flips food effortlessly, while the coffee maker serves 6 cups in minutes. The toaster oven handles bread, bagels, or small baked dishes with ease. Compact, colorful, and retro-inspired, it saves counter space while making your mornings delicious. Tired of cluttered counters and soggy dishes? This 3-tier over-the-sink drying rack keeps everything organized and off your countertop. A sleek cover protects dishes while letting air circulate for faster, hygienic drying. Sturdy, rust-resistant construction holds heavy plates, bowls, and glasses without wobbling. Easy to clean and simple to install, it's a space-saving upgrade that makes your kitchen look as good as it works. Imagine a gadget that stirs your pot for you while you do something else. This automatic pot stirrer handles soups, sauces, risottos, and more, keeping food from sticking or burning. It self-adjusts to fit most pot sizes and has variable speeds for perfect consistency. A quiet, high-torque motor runs for hours on a single charge, or plugs in for non-stop stirring. Lightweight, cordless, and easy to use, it turns cooking into hands-free magic. Ditch the messy oil spills with this smart olive oil sprayer. It lets you spray or pour, so salads, grilling, or roasting are all precise and easy. Transparent glass shows exactly how much oil is left, while the comfortable handle keeps your hands clean. Each spray delivers just the right amount, helping you control every drizzle. Durable, refillable, and easy to clean. It's a kitchen tool you'll actually enjoy using. Tired of struggling with stubborn jar lids? This under-cabinet opener makes even the tightest jars effortless. One hand is all you need. Perfect for seniors, arthritis, or anyone with weak hands. A non-slip grip holds lids securely, so you use less strength but get more control. It installs neatly under cabinets, saving counter space and keeping your kitchen tidy. Butter, cheese, or chocolate, why not slice them all in one go? This clever 3-in-1 slicer saves you time with instant, even cuts every time. The airtight silicone lid keeps your butter fresh 3 times longer and stops fridge odors from sneaking in. Stainless steel blades resist rust and stay sharp, while the non-stick surface means no messy cleanup. A vertical stand fits neatly in narrow fridge doors, making it as space-smart as it is handy. Turn your food scraps into garden gold with this smart composter. It transforms almost all organic waste into nutrient-rich plant food in just a few hours. 3 simple modes let you choose speed or depth, and a 1-button interface makes it effortless to use. A clear lid lets you watch the magic happen, while filters keep everything clean and odor-free. Compact and sleek, it fits neatly in your kitchen and helps you reduce waste like a pro. So if you want fresh compost without the hassle, cocktails at the push of a button? Yes, please! This professional cocktail machine mixes drinks perfectly every time. Just insert a capsule, place your glass, and choose your strength from mocktail to strong. The smart L, C, D, and barcode system guides you to the right glass and settings, so you can't go wrong. Elegant LED lights make every pour feel special, and the built-in rinse keeps flavors pure while cutting cleanup time. 5 premium glass bottles fit securely, making it safe and stylish for any party or home bar. Tired of puddles forming around your sink? This extra-long 24-inch silicone faucet mat catches every drip and drains it straight into the sink thanks to its 5-degree slope. Soft, durable, and easy to clean, it won't scratch dishes or utensils. You can even trim it to fit around faucets or soap dispensers for a perfect fit. Beyond the kitchen, it doubles as a drying mat or mini shelf, keeping your counters tidy with 0 effort. Baking disasters usually start with bad measurements. This digital measuring spoon scale gives you exact weights right in the scoop. It measures from 1 gram up to 800 grams with accuracy within 1 gram, so your recipes stay perfectly balanced. Switch between grams, ounces, milliliters, cups, and more with one button. No mental math required. The clear LCD screen shows results instantly, and the detachable design makes cleaning quick and easy. It's small, smart, and way more precise than guessing. Tired of juggling different pots and pans? This 21-piece cookware set gives you everything you need, from saucepans to frying pans, all with a smooth, non-stick ceramic coating. The detachable handles lock securely for safe cooking and pop off for easy storage or cleaning. Oven-safe and induction-ready, these pots heat evenly on any stove. Stackable design saves precious cabinet space, and the durable aluminum construction means they'll last for years. Cooking, cleaning, and storing just got a whole lot simpler. Your toaster just got an upgrade. This smart 2-slice toaster uses a motorized lift, so your bread lowers and rises automatically. No lever needed. The large touchscreen lets you choose from 8 bread types and 5 shade levels, so you get toast exactly how you like it. With 1,200 watts of power, it heats fast and evenly, cutting down busy morning wait time. It even keeps your toast warm without over-browning, so you're never rushed at breakfast. Grating cheese shouldn't feel like a workout. This rotary cheese grater lets you shred, slice, and grind with a simple turn of the handle. 5 stainless steel blades swap in easily, so you can tackle cheese, veggies, nuts, and more in seconds. The large feed chute saves you prep time, and the suction base locks it firmly to your counter. When you're done, just rinse or pop the parts in the dishwasher and store everything neatly in the included box. Your cutting board just got a brain upgrade. This smart prep station stores your knives and color-coded boards in one sleek holder that dries and sanitizes them for you. After washing, just tap a button and it runs a UV and heat cycle to kill germs and remove moisture. The quiet 40 decibels operation is softer than a whisper, so it won't disturb your kitchen vibe. With knives, boards, scissors, and even chopsticks included, you've got a complete, clean setup ready whenever you are. Boiling water in seconds feels like kitchen magic. This smart hot water dispenser gives you instant hot or cold water at the touch of a button, or with the remote. It releases a precise 250 milliliters each time, so you get the perfect amount for tea, coffee, or noodles without waste. No plumbing needed, just plug it in and you're set. Sleek on the counter and smart enough to remind you about refills. It makes waiting for water a thing of the past. Fresh herbs without dirt under your nails. Yes, please. This vertical hydroponic growing system lets you grow up to 30 plants in a space barely bigger than a chair. No soil, no mess, just water and smart LED lights that mimic sunrise and sunset to help your plants thrive. It uses up to 95% less water than traditional gardening, which means you save while you grow. With automatic watering and a built-in plant coach guiding you, you get harvest-ready greens right from your living room. Why choose between a grill and a griddle when you can have both? This indoor grill transforms into 5 different cooking modes, so you can press paninis, sear steaks, flip pancakes, or cook eggs all in one place. The dual temperature controls let you go from a gentle warm setting to a high sear, giving you full control over every meal. Reversible non-stick plates prevent sticking and pop right out for the dishwasher. It's powerful, compact, and ready to handle breakfast, lunch, or dinner with ease. So if you want perfect pancakes and seared steaks in one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.